What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I am going to make for you Audrey Saunders' amazing aperitif cocktail, the Intro to Aperol. I am actually almost embarrassed to say that we haven't tackled an Audrey Saunders cocktail yet. She is one of the most famous bartenders in New York. She is most famous for opening the program at the Pegu Club, but she has been kicking around that city for many, many years. She is responsible for some of the most amazing modern classic cocktails, and I am not going to shun her cocktails anymore. Not that I was doing that on purpose anyway, but I'm just saying, I'm happy to be doing this cocktail today. Today we're doing the Intro to Aperol. So the first thing we are gonna do is 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And I know you guys are gonna be like, but Leandro, you put 4 dashes in there. I'm using a Japanese bitters dasher, guys, and when you use a Japanese bitters dasher, the dash is a little bit tighter than you would get from a Angostura. In my own estimation, it's about half. One of these is half an Ango bottle, so if you're doing an Ango bottle, do 2 ounces, do 2 dashes. And then 3/4 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of gin. You want to pick like a nice classic London Dry. And 2 ounces, yes, you heard that right, 2 ounces of Aperol. Now, I know that there are not a lot of people who really think about drinking these aperitifs by themselves. Like, I don't hear very many people saying like, oh yeah, just drink some Aperol, unless they're putting it with champagne and making like an Aperol spritz or something. But these are actually designed to whet your appetite. That's what an aperitif liqueur is, and it's designed to be drank neat or on the rocks as a way, by itself, as a way to whet your appetite. So there you go. And this cocktail is kind of right up that alley. We're just gonna add our ice, add our cocktail, lock our tin, make sure you get a nice good lock on it, and shake. There we go. And then we're going to double strain our bits out. And last but not least, let's get some of this extraneous business out of the way. Do a nice orange twist. And there you have it, Audrey Saunders' modern classic, the Intro to Aperol. Now we're going to taste it. Bright, refreshing, little sweet notes in the mid palate, very bitter on the finish, but not as bitter as something like Campari would be. You get a lot of orange. The orange oil play really nice into that sort of orange flavor profile. This is a great brunch drink. Or before your meal, I would start my night with this. Audrey Saunders, Intro to Aperol.